Good day, this is Sir Paya. So welcome back to my channel. So this time, gagawa tayo ng program kung paano i-store yung data from data grid to database. So, ito po yung design natin. Ito po yung ginawa nating template nung nakarang tutorial natin. Yung sa plot design at saka yung how to import data from Microsoft Excel um, to data grid. Okay, so this time, so, itong mga data na to na galing sa Excel natin is i-save natin patungo doon sa database. So, meron akong ginawa ditong database yung DBPSD, demo POSDB, and then we have table product. So, under sa table product, we have the P code, description, brand, category, quantity, at saka yung price. Ayan. So, ito po yung makita rin natin dito sa atin template. So, we have the P code, description, brand, category, quantity, at saka yung price. Okay? So, una, ayan. Gawa muna tayo ng error tracker natin. Send.close, and then we have message box, and then AX, yung sa exception natin. Then, message, and baby critical. So, ang purpose nito is para malaman natin if ever may error, so madali natin siyang ma-debug. Ayan. Then, create tayo ng variable, or declare tayo ng variable, dim I as integer. Ayan. Then, we have looping for I equal to 0 to yung data grid ko, data grid view 1 dot row count minus 1. Ayan. So, i-count niya yung record ng laman ng ating data grid. So, dito is nilagay natin ng minus 1 kasi nag-i-start tayo ng index 0. And then, so, bago niya i-save, message box muna tayo. Message box. If message box, we have the condition. Are you sure you want to save these records? And then we have the VPS, no? Parameter niyan, saka plus every questions is equal to VPS. So, kung VPS yung sagot niya, and then, so, dito natin ilagay yung looping natin. So, yung looping natin is i-loop niya kung ilang record ang meron tayo sa data grid. So, gawa tayo ng connection, cin.open, of course, cin.close. Then we have cm, new SQL command, and then we have the insert. Ito, yung table natin, we have the table product, the TBL product, and then we have the P code, P description, P code, P description, and then we have the brand category, and then we have the quantity and price, the QTY, and the price. Ayan. Then gawa tayo ng parameter niya, values, so, at we have parameter variable, so, lagyan natin siya ng at, ayan, and then cm, then with cm, then parameters that add with value. So, una is yung parameter variable natin na ito, P code, the P code at P code, and then yung value natin sa DataGridView 1 dot rows, this is row, and then index I dot cells. So, yung value sa cells natin, yung ilagay natin is kasi nag-start tayo, meron tayong row count dito. So, hindi natin siya pag-save. So, mag-start tayo ng index 1. This is index 1, index 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So, dito is hindi tayo mag-start ng 0. So, start muna lang tayo ng 1. That value that to string. Ayan. Okay. And then, add tayo another parameter. So, copy lang natin to. Parameter, add tayo ng parameter. This is p description. And this is brand. What else? Category, quantity, and price. We have the category, the quantity, and the price. Then, of course, dito, so yung index natin is, this is index 2. Kasi pag index 1 lang palagi is, yung value lang ng p-code ang i-save niya. Is index 3, index 4, index 5, and index 6. Ayan. So, si quantity, convert natin siya to integer, cn. Ayan. And then si price, since decimal yung data type natin na ginawa dito, so may decimal value siya. So, i-convert natin siya to double. CDBL. Ayan. Then, of course, so ito is nag-assign pa lang ng data, ng value from data grid patungo dun sa parameter natin. Ayan. So, para i-save niya yung record, so, lagyan natin siya ng execute non-query. Okay? And then, dito after sa loob, so message box lang tayo. And then we have record has been successfully saved. Then we have the BB information. Ayan. So try natin iparun yung program natin. So import file. Browse muna tayo ng data ang galing sa Excel. Sample itong product. So, yung mga naghahanap kung paano mag-import ng data from Excel to DataGrid, so is browse nyo lang yung mga video ko. So, nandyan yan sa baba. Ayan. Save natin. After save, so may tanong siya, are you sure you want to save this record? So, pag i-save natin yung record natin, so, nag-loop siya. So, from record 1 to record 10. And then, may message na lalabas, record has been successfully saved. Tingnan natin kung na-save ba yung record natin. So, bas lang natin dito. Kung meron ng laman, ayan. Ayan. So, meron na tayong record with the P code, P description, the brand, category, quantity, and price. Okay? So, may mga request kayo, tutorial, or paano yan gagawin. So, comment nyo lang sa baba. Ayan. So, mabasa ko ayun lahat. And then, isa-isahin natin ko para at least makatulong tayo. Okay, so sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe my channel and then press the notification bell para at least manotify kayo kung may mga bagong upload ako. And don't forget to share my video. Thank you.